What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning. Today's video is on this Audi S3 and it's in for a Cobra catback bolt-on system. So, let's get it. So underneath the Audi S3, guys, we can see where we're starting from. So we'll be starting from around about here, getting rid of the res, and obviously as we move to the back of the car, we'll be getting rid of that big back box, and then we've got a sports back box with the Cobra catback system as well. So hopefully it's going to sound and look loads better. So guys, this is the exhaust that has come off the car, and this is the new exhaust. So obviously we've got the normal pipe that comes and gets rid of the res, and it goes to the back to a sports back box, which is a lot smaller than the normal one, and out towards these nice fresh tips. So yeah, we're gonna get it down and then see what it sounds like. So guys, as you can hear and see, the tips look really, really good at the background as well. Sounds loads better, and it has a really nice deep tone to it as well. So if you want a custom catback, be it bolt-on or an actual custom made one from us, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.